watch Brewery Review. Brittany, Jerry, and Jacob, Luke, Grumpy Pants, McGee, James on the camera. We are at Optimist Hall in Charlotte, North Carolina, Fonta Flora Brewery, their third location. Yes. We've done their other two, Whippoorwill Farms
and Morganton.
It's packed. This is a February evening and Optimist
night
Hall.
Before the Super Bowl.
Night before the Super Bowl, and it is unbelievably
But just
packed.
so people know, Optimist Hall is like an open air, like mall type area. So it's got a whole bunch of food, a whole bunch of beer, a whole bunch of shops.
If you've ever been to 7th Street Market, it's just like that, where it's a whole bunch of different places open up, and you can go and grab anything, and everyone can enjoy whatever they want.
You can walk around freely. There's like open areas, common areas. So the actual brewery is downstairs in the market area. It was packed.
Yeah.
We could hardly get in and get a beer. They do have 2 beers that are specialized to this location. They had an actual Optimist Hall double IPA, which we had, and then they co-brewed with a coffee shop upstairs. That beer was like, what?
14%.
14%, so we didn't try that one.
Yeah, totally. There was 16 beers on tap that were all theirs from varying locations. A lot of options. Like I said, very packed, as you can see in our B-roll. It's a square-shaped brewery. We didn't get to go in the bathrooms because it was so packed. We couldn't even find a standing room besides just ordering the beer, so we'll have to come back and check that out. We're not sure of changing station installs, but I'm sure at least they have bathrooms. But yeah,
it was all a little hectic.
Yeah, and there's an outdoor seating area with some picnic tables, and then like we're kind of up on this little.
And they have like a little windowsill that you can order beers from the outside, so you don't even have to go inside, which we realized afterwards.
Yes.
So like you can just walk up to a window on the outdoors, don't even have to go inside, get a beer, and then walk around. They have a lot of outdoor walkways and picnic areas, so it's very outdoor friendly for kids and families and all sorts of people. So.
I can't imagine. Like I said, it's February, it's packed. When it's spring and summer, it's going to be crazy packed. So, all right.
Fonta Flora, did they market it right here?
Parking wise, plenty of parking. It can get a little tight.
But there are parking lots all around.
Parking lots all around. But
they're still under a lot of construction too, so there's a lot of places still to come. So that might ease up some of the flow because there is a bar on the inside upstairs, but they are still doing a lot of construction as far as food and breweries and stuff that's going to go in. So it might help ease up some of the traffic in that brewery.
Yeah, because there's a couple breweries still coming into this place. So, and we'll be back to review those. Let's get to the scoring. Brittany, start us off.
I wish I would have gotten to see more inside. The beer was pretty good. It's nothing special that I've had more than anywhere else, so I'm going to say a 3.5, but I would like to come back and get a better atmosphere of the actual brewery. But the beer is good. It's just nothing that I haven't had already.
Okay.
So.
Joanna?
I think out of the 3 locations, even if I took all the people out of that one, I think out of the 3 locations that are so eclectic and so unique, this one seems just very bland. So it'd be my least favorite of the 3. I'm going to go 3.3.
But yeah, no, I'm right with Brittany at 3.5. But yeah, I wish we could have seen more, but it's very packed. And I can't imagine, like I said, besides coming here on a Thursday afternoon at 4 o'clock or as soon as they open when there's no one here to actually experience it. But staff was very friendly. They got us our beers fast, all that kind of stuff.
He explained what we were
Even though they were packed.
He was like,
staff was amazing.
They were very, very, very nice.
And if you just want a beer and walk around Optimist Hall,
all right, I'm sure Jeeves' thing is buzzing, so let's get there. Jeeves, what you scoring?
I was right at 3.5 as well.
3.5. You brew it, we review it. Luke on our 4th or 5th tape finally listening to some Cheese It.